large cover-up helicopter is now mobbing around out here. They just had a Cessna freaking out, revving his plane on my head to distract me. And I know it's the big helicopter because of that guttural sound. It's over here now. He's flying right through the park, below the tree line, under 100 feet. This large helicopter wasn't painted this way before. It didn't have a blue bottom half. All right, thank you. Please stop now. I ask you to stop. Here comes the Cessna to distract me. Those helicopters are mobbing around my neighborhood. The big one is just... This Cessna is coming to distract the sound in my video right now so that their disgusting little prick lawyers can say that it was a Cessna.